angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here. So this is going to be the first official video of 2023. So yes, I have been MIA. I was at my mom's place and finally I'm back home. So I thought of coming up with this makeup look right here. So this is going to be a Saraswati makeup look for you guys. Plus, as you have seen in the beauty shots, I have paired this makeup look with 3 different lipsticks. And talking about the lipstick, I am going to talk you through all the Blue Heaven powder matte lipsticks. Today I have 3 shades and I'm going to talk you through all the lip shades plus the mini review and the swatch. So I hope you are going to enjoy this Saraswati makeup look, because this makeup look is definitely going to help many of you who are starting out with makeup and want to go really good with your budget. So you can definitely try these lipsticks out and you're never going to regret. You're going to enjoy this video, and if you do, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I come up with a new video. And even don't forget to follow me on My Obsession by Anamika. All the links in the description box, plus it is flashing just right here. You can go and follow me right there. So yeah, without wasting much time, I think now let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the skin prep is done. I'm going to use my primer and I'm going to apply this by massaging into my skin. And now I'm going to use my foundation. I'm going to blend this out with a damp beauty sponge. Now taking a concealer, I'm going to conceal and highlight my face. Blending this again with the same damp beauty sponge. Now I'm going to contour the parameters of my face. Blending this again with the same damp beauty sponge. And now I'm using a cream blush, using my fingers to apply the product. And again blending this out for a seamless finish. Using a compact powder to set only the areas I feel like the concealer can crease, so it's my T-zone. Now to complete my base makeup look, I'm going to finish it off with a powder highlighter. And I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. First I'm going with a yellow eyeshadow on the crease area and blending this out in the back and forward motion. And you can go for any yellow eyeshadow that you have which has a little bit of brownish undertone. And applying a golden shade on the eyelids area. And now I'm applying a highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to apply a white kajal on my lower lash line. If you're not comfortable with white, you can surely go ahead and apply some black. And now to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going with a purple eyeshadow. This is going to give you a very nice contrasting look. Even if you're not comfortable with a purple on the lower lash line, you can definitely go with dark brown. Now I'm going to draw a nice wing liner. So the eyes are done. I absolutely forgot to do my brows, so I'm just gonna go and do the brows off the camera. So guys, finally I'm done with my brows, my eyes, my base, and now what I'm left with is my lipstick. And as I told you guys already, I'm going to give you 3 options for this makeup look, and I am super excited to talk you through Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipstick, and I have 3 shades in these. So the first one is a nude, then I have a pink and even a red lipstick, which is going to look very good with any of your outfit, any occasion as well, like if you're wearing it for some puja, for as a wedding guest, or even if you're wearing these like in the regular days, it is going to look really nice. So as you guys already know, Blue Heaven has a very good quality product and I absolutely love their product. I have seen Blue Heaven is loved by everyone, like people who are actually starting out on makeup or even the pro levels. Everybody loves Blue Heaven because their products are super duper inexpensive, plus they have very good quality product, which I personally prefer, and as I have used many of their products, I can say you can never gonna regret if you buy these products. So if you're a beginner and if you haven't used these lipstick yet, I'm here with a small mini review, plus even I'm going to swatch it all for you guys. So let's start. So as you can see, this is the packaging right here. It has a cardboard packaging and they have their initials, they have their logo in here, which is the Blue Heaven. Plus their packaging is always similar to all of their products and I absolutely love their color scheme. It looks very nice. Plus they come in a cardboard box because it can protect the inner packaging as well. So as you can see, this is the packaging, how it looks. This has a gold detailing with a black simple lipstick, and as this is a bullet lipstick, this is how it looks. This is how you rotate it. And so the quantity of the product is 3.5 grams and this retails for 165 rupees, which is really amazing. The quantity, the quality and everything comes under a very good budget. So this is how the lipstick looks from inside. And talking about the pigmentation and the texture of this lipstick is quite well, as you can see. Let me swatch it for you. So here you can see this is how it looks like after swatching it in my hand. This has a very soft and very creamy feel. It is not what it says that it is a powder. It's not a powder, it's not chalky. It's going to be very soft, but it is a matte. It is going to dry out on your lips but not going to make your lips feel uncomfortable. So you can see this is how the nude shade looks. This is the Mocha Madness and this is how the lipstick looks. Next shade is this pink right here. This is the Pink Dust. And I'm going to swatch this for you guys as well. And this is the next shade. This is the Queen Red and it's a very beautiful red shade. Again, let me swatch it for you. So there you can see all the 3 shades. Now this has a very creamy texture. It is not drying on your lips. Plus this is very beautiful matte, but it has very soft and smooth texture. It applies very smoothly and it is really pigmented as well. So guys, this is it for the mini review. Now I'm going to swatch it for you guys. You can see it on my lips, how this applies and how it looks on my skin as well. As they have 8 shades in this range, I have got only 3. If you wish, you can check out the link in the description box to check out all these shades and you can surely go ahead and buy whichever shades you want. I would say go for all the shades because it looks very nice, plus it is just for 165 rupees. So I think that's a very fair deal that you can have all the shades of the Blue Heaven powder mattes. So now let's start with the swatches. So guys, that was it for this makeup tutorial plus the mini review and the swatches of all the 3 shades. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which was your favorite shade among all the 3 shades I have showed you. Like, I absolutely love the nude one. I'm going to wear that every day. I know that because that is going to be my holy grail. I love nude shades, and that's why I got my hands in all the 3 different shades, and I hope you guys are definitely going to enjoy using them. As you know, the price range is so affordable and even the product quality is so good. Like, I can't rave enough about the product quality and even the pricing. Like, all of their products are so reasonably priced that I am just amazed by the products. So yeah, if you get your hands on these products, check out the links in the description box. I hope you're going to get your hands on these lipsticks. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one super duper soon. Till then, take care, love you all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the behind the scenes. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.